You see this hairstyle that I'm about to show you all, it is not my vibe at all. As a matter of fact, I always try as much as I can to avoid making this style on Adobe. If you've been on this channel, you've been watching me for a while, then you know my vibe. You know how much I love my trading hairstyles and my serious looking cornrows. Yeah, serious looking cornrows, because those cornrows are not easy. Like, okay, they are easy. See, they are easy to achieve, but they are not like something you can achieve in few minutes. They are something you can achieve in about an hour or two or even more. So they are serious looking hairstyles and they last forever. So yeah, that's why I say serious looking cornrows. So yeah, those are my vibes. I always love something that would last long, let's say 3 weeks, even 1 month if possible, on my daughter's hair, so I don't get to be manipulating her hair as much. That is why I always opt for the trending and the serious looking cornrows. But on this particular day, we had an event and I needed something that I would be done with in like 10 minutes. And this was the style that came to my mind. So I will be telling you all how I made this hairstyle. I mean, the hairstyle you saw on the thumbnail, because you haven't seen it yet. I'll be telling you guys how I made it, or rather, you would see how I made it, because this hairstyle doesn't require any installation because it is so easy. So you guys saw what I did at the front. I parted a triangle line. The triangle looks like the base is facing at the side, not like at the mid. See, yeah. The base is facing at the side, not the way it could have faced. I don't know if you guys get me. And I repeated the same triangle pattern at the back here, which I am currently putting into rubber bands and crisscrossing. Yeah, I'm just doing this whole crisscross things. Altogether, I have like six, 6 bands, rubber bands, or let's say 3 on each side, and I crisscross to each other. Yeah, you guys shall get what I mean, even though my explanation was not doing justice. Anyways, back to the front, I'm just gonna start cornrowing the section that I created earlier. I'm gonna part it, and altogether I had 3 cornrows here. So just watch what I'm doing and you'll be glad you did. So since this video is gonna be a very short one, I would encourage you or beg you to please give the video a thumbs up before the video comes to an end. Let me remind you all now, before, yeah, please give the video a thumbs up. Thank you. So now that I'm done with the cornrows, I'm gonna part a straight line at the middle, just the remaining lines. There's nothing serious going on there. And I put one side in a rubber band. I did that off camera. So this side, I'm just gonna brush her hair in, comb her hair, do everything to slick down her hair. You guys know my baby girl's hair, it's very thick. So I had to take extra care, extra time to slick it down, to brush everything in, making sure it is well moisturized in the process. I mean, I'm not brushing out a dry hair, trust me. So after tying that out, I went in with accessorizing. I'm going in with these butterfly clips that look gorgeous, and I went in with this bow. It looks so good. Anyways, that is literally it, but not completely. Hold on, because I'm still gonna show you guys 1 or 2 ways to style this hairstyle. Yeah, this is the first look and it looks so gorgeous. Look at how Adobe is feeling herself. Like, she was so feeling herself, she was loving this hairstyle, she kept admiring it, she kept trying to strain her neck to look herself in the mirror. She really loved this style. And this is the second look. It's just gonna transform this hairstyle to a different style entirely. Like, it looked more serious, it looked more like a grown-up baby girl. The first one looked like a baby girl, and this one looked like a grown baby girl, and it made it look like there's something serious going on here, not very basic. Yeah, that's the look this ponytail, this braiding ponytail is giving. And this is the last one. This one is just crunchies, like ball crunchies, nothing serious. It's also giving like baby girl vibe. And that's literally it for this hairstyle. Let me know in the comment section which of these three styles resonate more for you. Like, which of them is your favorite? Let me know. Is it the first or second or third? Which of them is more familiar or looks like something you will try out? And yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. If you watched to this point, kindly give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, see you in my video. Bye bye.